My video is about removing the fake alerts and the scary notifications that come from the site security24.onlines247.io. If you see these pop-ups on your computer screen, this could be the evidence of certain adware to be enabled in your computer. These pop-ups display pretty misleading messages that try to encourage customers into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. The pop-up initially indicates that customers have got their computers infected with 5 viruses and that they need to immediately download some software to remove these viruses. In reality, all this information presented by these pop-ups is absolutely faulty and totally deceptive. You shouldn't interact with them, and you shouldn't download or install anything that they suggest. As I have said before, the occurrence of these pop-ups on your screen could be explained by the presence of some adware in your entire computer. So first thing we recommend you to do is to check the control panel. If you find any suspicious programs here in the control panel, you need to uninstall them in a regular manner. But very often it could happen that visually the computer is free of threats, but you still may notice some strange ads popping up and attacking your screen from time to time. So we recommend you to carefully research your system with the reliable security software, and this can be done with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Scroll down a bit, use this green Download Combo Cleaner button, install the application and begin researching your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.